Guys, Tim Alexander. Today I'm going to show you how to replace or install the new Harley Davidson heated and cooled seat. When you buy the seat, make sure you also buy the appropriate wiring harness for your motorcycle. Let's get started. So when you buy your Harley heated and cooled seat, very nice. It's a hammock seat. It has this four-pin connector, and what comes on the bike is a 3-pin. You're also going to want to get this appropriate Harley adapter wire kit. This is for 2019 Ultra Limited. It basically, you have to install a power wire in your PA accessory switch, and you have to install this Y cable splitter adapter. Gives you your 4-pin right here, and then it has a spare with a cap on it for your 3-pin. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take off your seat, which I've already done, and you're going to remove your bag and your right side cover for the 2019 Ultra Limited. Remove the side bag here. My light clip. Side cover just pulls loose. And then you can see this plug right here. This is your PA accessory plug. You push down on the pin to release it. And that's what it looks like. You can see there's no red wire. So we're gonna have to install that next. So you need to do is you pop this up right there, so it's released it, and then you slide down the pin. I'm using a dental tool down the very edge of the pin to release the filler pin. So this is what the adapter, the connector looks like. And basically what you're doing is you're sliding down to release the catch that's right here. So you got to slide down, pull it out a little bit, then it snaps loose. Very simple. So once you have that out, you take the new one, this pin right here. It's only going to go in one way, and you're going to feed it in underneath and push it till it snaps. So again, I'll try to do it left-handed. You pull this up to release the assembly, so you can remove the pin, and then you slide down to the front here till you fill the pin. So you're in the very front, if you can see that in the very front there, and then you slide down till you fill the catch, and you pull it out, and then till you release it. It's right in the very front there. You slide down and catch it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in since I removed the pin holder blank that was in there, and we're just gonna slide this all the way in. It's clicked. Now it's in there. And then push down on the top to reseal the whole connector, to lock it in. The secondary lock, I guess, is what they call it. All right, so now we have the new wire in the connector, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove the fuse. So the fuse is out. I'm going to route this cable up here to the battery and connect it to the front of the battery right there. We're going to get all this stuff out of our way. We're going to get to the front terminal right there. Alright, so I'm going to route this cable now. There's actually wire harness right here, so I'm just going to route it right behind it. The battery. There's a fuse here. We want to make sure that it's accessible. I think that'll be good, and then we're going to hook it up right there. So, alright. And then this old blank here, we're going to go ahead and work that out. Because we pulled this out so that I can put it on the new connector. All right. So on this connector, you just pry up on the back here. There's a little notch there, pops it off. And we're just going to put that on here. We're going to put that one on here. We're going to put that one on here. So this will end up being mounted right here. Or right there, actually. We'll do that once I get these routed, but let me get the power wire first. So whenever we're doing this, let's take off the ground first so we don't destroy anything. Yeah, I'll tell you, actually, I'm a little annoyed that Harley just didn't include the power wire in the harness to start with, because I hate connecting extra stuff to my battery. It's one more point of failure, because in the harness originally, it wouldn't be an issue. Right now I'm just going to route this bundle. I had the little clip in here. I'm going to route that down in here. This area. Attach it to the original holder. Right there, so it supports the wire. There's like a... Yeah, so I have access to these additional accessories and pigtails. I'm going to just route these back down here, these extra accessories, and I'm just gonna coil these up and zip tie them in here and leave them coiled, and then this will be available to the battery once I put the tray back together. So now we're just going to do the reverse and put this battery cover back on. So I think, yeah, go ahead. Went ahead and push this rubber grommet down where it's going between there, so it gives it some protection. And just gonna put this back here. This has a fuse in it as well. Yes, I wish Harley would have just wired that in. Then you don't have to mess with running another wire and then getting this plate to squeeze down with extra wires under it. Kind of a total pain in the bottom there. And we need to route this. Push that up there. So all I'm doing is pushing this all down underneath the seat and in that little cavern, like that blank area that's right under here. There you go. And then just put the one last bolt in the back of the seat and you are done. And now you just put one last bolt back here. Your seat's done. We're going to power it on and test it real quick. Oh, and they gave you a new strap. You got to put the new strap on, by the way. The old one's really long. Won't reach. But we're going to go ahead and power this on. And we're going to have it on hot. It's getting hot. So, cool. put it on cool, you hear the fan kick on. So that's got the cooling going. So yeah, it's good. It's a success. Thank you for joining me today as I put this new Harley Davidson heated and cooled seat on my 2019 Ultra Ltd. If you like this video, click like, and subscribe if you want to get more videos like this. Have a good night.